This is an overview of the Paraboot Reims loafer shoe. We'll be looking at a brief unboxing of the shoe, taking a look at details of the shoe itself, as well as talking about the way that the shoe fits. Most videos that I could find on this particular model loafer were all in Japanese, so hopefully this helps with any research that you're doing if you are deciding whether or not to buy this shoe. So let's get started with what's in the box and the box itself. The shoes will be packaged in a green box, as shown here. And inside, you're going to find that the shoes have included with them shoe dust covers. These dust covers are green and they have just very simple Paraboot branding in the front. Now we're going to be moving on to details of the shoe itself. So this particular version of the Reims loafer is black with the grained leather. I'm sure with the reflection you can see the pebbling. I'm going to go through some views of the shoe. We have a side view, the front, the top, the back, and then the sole of the shoe. The shoe itself is quite heavy, but not uncomfortably heavy. As you can tell, the sole of the shoe is also particularly thick. So we're going to go and take some measurements of the sole of the shoe. Around the heel area, it is measuring at around 27 millimeters. Towards the front of the shoe, around the balls of your feet, it's around 15 to 16 millimeters. So do take that into consideration when doing research as to whether or not you want this shoe. The sole is a little thick. Now we're going to be talking about the way that the shoe fits. The fit of the shoe is interesting. Personally, I am a size 9 in US sizes, which means that I'm a size 8 in UK sizes. Somewhere online, I did read that it is recommended to go down a complete UK size for Paraboot shoes. I went ahead at the boutique, and tried on a size 7 UK. With the size 7, I had plenty of space in the toe box area, but I noticed that my heel was slipping towards the back. My feet do run a little bit narrower than most, so it wasn't that much of a surprise to feel that my heel was slipping. What I ended up doing was I ended up trying the size 6.5. With the size 6.5, the toe box is a little bit more constricted, but not uncomfortable. And with the half size smaller, I noticed as well that the heel slippage was gone. I ended up taking the size 6.5 because I know that while the toe box does feel a little bit tight, or at least tighter than the size 7, because this is a leather shoe, over time the leather will stretch ever so slightly and allow a little bit more room for my toes around here, but the shoe won't be slipping from the heel. That said, if your feet run a bit narrow, if there are any questions, please put them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.